When students begin their Matific journey, they are given a placement test to determine their current skill level. This helps us set the students in an appropriate developmental stage and assign them relevant activities to grow. A placement test has 4 to 20 questions. The exact number of questions varies based on the year and locale of the student. Foundation or kindergarten students may not have placement tests. Students can take breaks between a placement test to finish it at a later time. When they return, they can either continue the test or start over. Once they complete the test, they get a pilot certificate. Now they can explore Adventure Island. Matific's adaptive algorithm is optimized to help students complete all material for a grade. It is called their learning level as they play on Adventure Island. A placement test tests students on prerequisite material from the 2 grades before their learning level. By default, a student's learning level is equal to the grade of their class. But students who perform poorly on a placement test may have their learning levels set below their class grade. This is from our placement test report, and we'll take you through this in detail in another video. By default, placement tests are enabled. However, you can disable them if you wish. Go to Manage My Classes. Click the 3 dots next to your desired class, Manage Class Details. Click Advanced Settings and disable Placement Test.